Hello there, beautiful yogis. I hope you're doing well. So this is snack 5 in our series of yoga snacks. This one is entitled Energize. So I hope you enjoy it. You might choose to do yoga snack 1 first, just to warm up. Otherwise, if you're feeling warmed up, you've been moving around a lot, maybe this one you can just pop it in when you need a little snack. And please enjoy. So just stepping the feet a little wider, bend your knees, swaying your arms, tapping your back, tapping your front. Soften the knees. Good. Stepping your feet about hip distance apart. Inhale, lifting your arms. Exhale. Inhale, lengthening up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just slowly moving side to side at your own pace. Holding it on one side, engaging the thigh muscles, drawing your hip forward. You can take a nice long neck. You might lower the chin a little and then lift it. Whatever feels good for the neck. And then switching sides. Chin away from the chest. You can just hold here. You might want to move the chin a little up and down. Good. Arms come to our sides for breath of joy. Breath of joy is 3 inhales through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. As you exhale, you'll bend the knees. So inhale, arms forward. Inhale, arms out. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, lift. Inhale. Inhale. In. Breath of joy. So if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. Bringing some warmth and energy to the body. Shaking off some cobwebs. Energizing the body with oxygen. This time just hanging forward. You can allow the knees to bend, arms dangle. Giving the head a little shake. You can sway the arms if you'd like. Knees are soft. And then just slowly lifting yourself up. Head lifting last. And you can roll the shoulders here. One at a time. Opposite direction. Good. And just drawing the hands into the heart center, connecting with self. For half Sunsalute. You can work with the legs straight. Maybe you're bending the knees if there's back tension. Adjust your stance to what feels good for you today. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, swan diving to forward bend here as you inhale, lifting your chest, lifting your gaze. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, wide arms reaching up. Exhale, hands meeting at the heart. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, swan dive, forward, forward bend. as you inhale, lifting the chest away from the thighs. Exhale, folding forward here. Inhale, tracing the shape of the sun with your hands. Exhale. Again. Inhale, lift the chest. Again, feel free to bend the knees if that feels better for you. Inhale, salute. Exhale. Again. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to come forward. Inhale, lengthening the spine, lift the heart. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale. So we'll make it a little different this time. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, reach behind your back. Interlace the fingers, lift the heart or hands at the hips. Exhale, fold forward, bend the knees, chest on the thighs. Inhale, lifting into your chair pose. Exhale, forward bend here. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, reach behind, interlace your fingers. Inhale, lifting the heart. Exhale, bend the knees, chest on the thighs, folding forward. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reaching up, looking up. Exhale, hands meet at the heart. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, reach behind, interlace your fingers. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, bend the knees to come forward. Inhale to chair pose. Exhale, forward bend here. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, reach. Exhale, reach behind, interlace the fingers, lift your heart. And then we'll fold, bringing the chest over the thighs. Inhale to chair pose. Exhale, forward bend. Inhaling up. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale, reach behind, interlace the fingers, lifting your heart. And then we'll bring the chest over the thighs as you exhale. Inhale, this time we'll hold our chair pose here. I'm just drawing the hips back a little, lift the heart. If it's hard to hold the arms here, you can bring your hands at your hips or maybe at the heart. Breathing in and out. Reaching behind the back, interlace the fingers, folding forward here, forward bend. Or option to dangle the arms. The legs can be straight or you can bend the knees, holding it here, breathing in. Breathing out, in and out. Next, inhale, lifting your chest. Exhale, we'll step back into downward facing dog pose. So just pausing here, spread the fingers, walking the feet here if you'd like. Maybe even just twisting the hips a little. Breathing in. Breathing out, in and out. Inhale, coming forward to plank. You might need to slide the feet back a little or hands and knees. Exhale, dog pose. Inhaling to plank. Exhale, dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, dog. Inhale, plank. This time as you exhale, bend the elbows any amount. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale, dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, bend the knee or the elbows. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale, dog. Good. Pausing here, or you can always rest in child's pose. And we'll walk our hands towards our feet. Bending your knees and slowly lifting up here. Just taking your time, the head's lifting last. Bringing your left hand on your heart, right hand on your belly. Noticing the warmth and energy in the body. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in and out. So for eagle pose, we'll send the arms forward, right elbow tucks under the left, wrapping up the arms. So you might be able to draw your palms together, or you can take the backs of the hands together, or even catching your opposite shoulders, and then we'll draw circles with the elbows. Opposite direction for circles. And as you inhale, lifting your elbows. Exhale, draw them away from the chin. Twisting to the right and to the left. Here we'll bend our knees for the full expression of the eagle pose. Drawing right thigh over left thigh, thigh over thigh, maybe resting your foot. You could lift the foot or tuck the foot behind your calf. Elbows lift. Holding here, finding a point of focus to fix your gaze on here. You can also lean your back or hip on the wall if that feels better for you today. Doesn't have to be perfect. Breathing in and out, in and out. Relaxing your jaw. Good, and then we'll take the feet just a little wider, sway the arms. Good. All right, so we'll bring the arms forward, eagle. Left elbow under the right. Maybe you're giving yourself a hug just to tighten up the arms. Maybe you're self-isolating and you need to give yourself a hug. Right, as you inhale, lifting the elbows, and we'll draw some circles. Opposite direction. Again, you can catch your opposite shoulders if that feels better for you. Maybe you're even just catching your opposite elbows. Inhale, lifting your elbows. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Pausing here. Twist to the right. Twisting to your left. Come to center, bend the knees. Left thigh over right thigh, thigh over thigh. Resting your foot, or lifting the foot, or tucking. And just finding your balance here. Relaxing the jaw. Breathing in and out. Bend the knees a little deeper for more challenge as you lift the elbows. Maybe you're just doing the legs. Maybe you're just doing the arms, right? Doesn't have to be perfect, just enjoying the experience. And again, we'll step the feet wider, sway the arms. Good. And taking a longer or wider stance. Turning our right toes out, left foot forward for this sequence. You can take a longer stance for more challenge, or you might be shortening your stance for stability. Big stretch yogis know to listen to their body. Inhale, lifting the arms. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior or exalted warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, straightening the arms and legs. Exhale, preparing for triangle pose. Inhaling to come up. Exhale, bending your knee for warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, forearm to thigh, side angle. Inhale, straightening the arms and legs. Exhale, reaching with your right arm, left arm up. Triangle pose. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, preparing for triangle. Exhale, tilting the hips. Triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, we'll hold our warrior pose. Just relaxing the shoulders, reaching out of the arm sockets, looking out over your fingertips. And just watch you're not leaning forward. You might just lean back a little bit. Eventually bringing the thigh parallel to the floor if that's available to your mobility. And lower the left hand, right arm reaches up and back. Maybe lifting your gaze to fingertips or some neck tension, you might look at your back. Big toe. Good. Side angle, holding here with the potential of bringing your hand to the floor or a block if that's suitable for you today. You can look forward or up to your thumb. Breathing in and out. In and out. Inhale, lifting up, straightening the arms and legs. And then exhale, we'll just tilt the hips, reaching for triangle pose. Holding here, again, you might look to your thumb, forward or down. So just watching any tension in the neck. You can choose to lift up a little higher or rest your hand at your hip. A little more energy, maybe your arms reaching along your ear. Breathing in and out. In and out. Next, inhale, lifting to center. Exhale, we'll turn our feet. Right foot forward, left foot out. Finding a sturdy stance. Inhale, lifting your arms. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, left arm reaching up and back. Exhale, forearm to thigh, right arm reaching up. Inhale, straightening the arms and legs. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhaling up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale to peaceful warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, gingerbread man. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhale, gingerbread man. Exhale, warrior two, knee over the ankle. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, GB man. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhale. As you exhale, this time we'll hold our warrior two. Breathing in. Breathing out, back leg strong, pressing into the outer edge of the back foot. Maybe sink a little deeper. Okay, we'll rest our right hand, left arm reaching up and over to pause here. Again, you might look to your thumb or the back big toe or somewhere in between. Breathing in and out, in and out. Side angle, forearm to thigh, reaching up. Grounding the back foot. Option to bring your hand to the floor or block. Breathing in. Breathing out, inhaling, preparing for triangle. As you exhale, tilt the hips, reaching with your left arm. Just bringing the hands somewhere along the leg. Breathing in and out. You can always shorten your stance for stability or lean your back on the wall. Inhale to come up. Exhale, lowering the arms, bringing our feet to parallel here. Reach behind the back, interlace the fingers or hands at the hips. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, leading with the heart, folding forward here. Just letting the head dangle. So you might choose to keep the fingers interlaced. Option to bring the palms together. Or maybe you prefer to dangle your arms or catch your opposite elbows here. You can work with the knees bent if that feels better for you today. Maybe you're in the Super Bowl pose. And then we'll dangle our arms, bend our knees. And just slowly lifting up here. You can rest your left hand on your heart, right hand on the belly. Breathing in. Breathing out. In and out. Again, just feeling that warmth and energy in the body, life force, energy. Step to the front of the mat. Inhale, reaching your arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, lifting your chest. And as you exhale, stepping into the downward facing dog pose. Pausing here. So our next sequence you can do from dog, or you might prefer to do from hands and knees if that feels more suitable for you today. Inhale, your right foot reaches up to the sky. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, lifting your leg. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, lift the leg, pausing here. Again, you might be doing this from hands and knees. And then lower. Pausing. Inhale, left foot reaches up to the sky. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift your leg. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, lift the leg, pause. And lower to dog pose. Or you're welcome to choose child's pose. Breathing in and out. In and out. So we'll all meet in child's pose here for a few breaths. Holding it there, softening your shoulders. Breathing in. Breathing out. In and out. Good. And now we're going to do downward dog into upward dog. So I'll give you a couple of variations. So from dog pose, you can lift onto your toes, round your back, lowering the hips, lifting the heart. And then exhale, back to dog, simpler variation. Inhale to your knees, lift your tail, lift your heart. Exhale back to dog pose. Inhale, lift onto the toes, rounding your back, lowering your hips, lifting your heart. Exhale back to dog. Inhale, toes round the back, lower the hips. Exhale, dog. Or as you inhale, come to the knees, lift your tail, lift your heart. Exhale, dog one more time. Inhale, up, rounding the back, lowering the hips. Body suspended from the shoulders. And we'll pause in dog pose. And then just moving into child's pose. Pausing there for a few breaths. You can choose to keep the knees close or maybe wider knees for baby pose. Maybe the arms are reaching forward, or you can rest your arms at your sides. Softening the shoulders, softening your breath. Or maybe the head's not quite coming down. You can stack your fists, resting your forehead on your fists. Or maybe just tucking a pillow under your brow. A few more breaths here. Breathing in and out. In and out. When in doubt, breathing in. Breathing out, in and out. Breathing in and out. And just breath by breath, softening, letting go, relaxing. So you can lift yourself up, walking the hands in towards the knees. Bringing your hands into the heart center here. As you inhale, lifting up, expand the chest, lift your gaze, arching. Exhale, rounding the back, tuck the chin. Inhale, reaching the arms up and back. Exhale, rounding your back, tucking your chin. Again, inhale, expand. Exhale. Inhale. Sometimes it's fun to say, ta-da! Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Ta-da! And we'll get resting in child's pose here. So softening forward, breathing in, breathing out. In and out. Option again to widen the knees for the baby pose. Walking the hands in towards the body, lifting yourself up. And just finding here a comfortable seat for you. Good. So you might choose to take our yoga snack 3 after this one, just to stretch it out. Again, I hope you're doing well, and I hope to see you all very soon, where we can breathe, stretch, and relax in person together. Namaste. Take good care.